Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lash lengthening mascara. Now, the way these products work is with some clever fibres added into the formula. You can have volumizing mascaras that help apply fibres as they apply the colour for thicker looking lashes. In this case, I'm making a lash lengthening mascara, which uses longer fibres to help extend the appearance of the lashes as the product is applied. Let me show you the product and how it's put together. This is the product we're going to be making. And as you can see, it's a really nice mascara, nice and thick, but not too thick. And it applies really easily. Now, to put this product together, I'm starting with some water and propane diol. And I'm just going to add some xanthan gum and form a gel. Now I'm just going to heat my water phase, and I've also got my oil phase pre-measured, so I'm going to heat this as well. And as this gets hot, I'm going to add my black iron oxide and mix it together, and then form my emulsion. Next, I can add my preservative, and when it cools below 40 degrees, check and adjust pH. Next, I can add my lash lengthening fibres. Now, this is the Cell BC1000. This is used to lengthen lashes. If you wanted to increase volume instead, you would use Cell BC200. And then I'm adding the Bakuzan C1004. This is my waterproofing agent, which helps provide wear and water resistance to the formula. Now, both of these ingredients need to be added under low shear mixing only. And there you have your lash lengthening mascara. Now, on the day you make it, the viscosity will be a little lower. By the next day, it will set into this perfect mascara viscosity. So there you go, that's how to make a lash lengthening mascara. Now, if you wanted to get small quantities of some of the key materials I used in this formula, particularly for the waterproofing or the lash lengthening, please join our Facebook group, Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands. Post in there the materials you're after, the quantities you'd like, and your relative area to find someone near you who might be able to split packs with you so you can get creating this fantastic formula for your own brand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!